Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 20th of October 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So we now only have 2 weeks until the US election, and as we mentioned to you last week, Goldman Sachs put out their updated quarterly earnings. They have had the best trading quarter in a decade here, and this week we continue to see lucrative trade opportunities. In fact, I congratulate all of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club who've also been able to capitalize on all of these moves that we have been providing in the latest week. In fact, it's been a fantastic quarter. Just to give you a quick update on positions right now, over the last 24 hours, we have actually banked 370 points of profit. For every one lot traded, of course, that's $3,700 of profit. For every 10 lots traded, that's $37,000 of profit. Not only that, we continue to maintain positions, longer term trades that we have in copper, in natural gas, and also palladium. So our palladium trade currently is up over 5,100 points. We have a position on natural gas today, which broke out to over 2-year highs. That's over 1,100 points of profit. And also copper here as well, which is currently up over 160 points on our long position, but has also broken out here to the highest levels in over 1 year. And I say that because many of our members do also follow us on YouTube. So really a big well done, guys, to an absolutely fantastic quarter. And it's really only just getting started. So this Thursday, we of course have the next presidential debate, and then 2 weeks into the US election. We're bound to see more of this volatility. And right now, of course, we're waiting a resolution on the stimulus package. We want to see whether that will get agreed between now and the close today. Of course, if that was to get agreed, that's where you're likely to see a breakout on the metals. That will be, of course, very positive for the stock markets, for a risk-on environment. This is where the dollar will continue to be under pressure. The opposite is also true. So if the stimulus package does not get agreed before the US election, this is where you're likely to see more of a risk-off environment. Again, the dollar will do well. That puts pressure on a lot of other markets, including stock markets and the metals. But right now, we're very much back in risk on. So as we discussed on the week ahead commodity report, if the dollar was to continue to roll over to the downside, and if the gold to silver ratio breaks down, which it has done today, it's been a 2% decline on the gold to silver ratio back to 77 to 1. The dollar index has broken down to 93 to 1. This is a great environment for metals to break out higher. We mentioned to you last week as well, Goldman Sachs buying into silver at $24 per ounce. That's been a nice solid bounce for us already, with silver broke out to $24.95 an ounce just yesterday. Twice this week already, we've been in and out of platinum for 100 points profit, just taking advantage of this day-to-day volatility. Yesterday, we banked 110 points on gold. We bought back in again today. That trade is currently up over 90 points. We still continue to hold our positions on palladium, on copper, on natural gas. So we are taking advantage of all of this volatility. These market conditions are perfect for trading. Now, right now, you might have a lot more time on your hands. We've seen new restrictions come up in the UK, in Europe, in the USA. This is providing you with a great opportunity if you work from home or if you've got more time to really learn the right approach to the markets. And you can fast track your learning right now, where you have so much volatility and so many opportunities just day to day at the moment, that it's fantastic for you to really learn a research driven process to the markets. Where markets are quiet, when there's not much going on, this is not good for you to learn to trade and really optimize your trading. When there's lots of volatility, when you are seeing the market switch from risk on to risk off, where you're seeing this constant up and down price action consolidation, this is what you want in order to get gains fast. So if you want to increase your income, you need to increase your skill set. And right now is a perfect time to do that with trading. We've just got 2 weeks down to the US election. There are going to be lots of trade opportunities in the lead up to the election, but also some very specific seasonal plays on commodities after the US election, which you absolutely do not want to miss out on to supercharge your trading account. Many of our clients are already savvy to this. We're preparing for it at the Gold and Silver Club. These market conditions right now are absolutely perfect. As we mentioned, you've heard it already, Goldman Sachs, they have had the best trading quarter in over a decade. If anybody is telling you these markets are not great for trading, that's because they're using the wrong approach to the markets. You want to be utilizing data, market intelligence, be aware of the key areas of liquidity, what the hedge funds and money managers, the banks and institutions, what they're doing week to week, how they're positioning themselves, when they're getting into trades, when they're banking profits. The key levels that they are targeting in the market will help you massively. Alongside that, utilize all of the intermarket correlations. Make sure that you're stacking and layering into positions and that you've got hedges in your portfolio when the markets very quickly switch from risk on to risk off. so that you're able to be very nimble. Banking profits regularly is really important as well. So if you would like to learn a research-driven approach to the markets, join a community of successful traders, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.